Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to the another session of this notched collar. So today I will show you how you can make this notch collar in your kurti. So for this you will need this pattern obviously. Now to make the exact pattern from the top you need to decrease the width of this upper lapel by 1 inches. So just mark 1 inch and make a slanting line like this, and now you need to cut this out. Now here's the tricky part. In normal notched collar we just cut the upper lapel and then trace the lower body part with the lower lapel and make the measurements and make the neckline. But to make this kurti's neckline you need to cut the collar in this way. From this slanting line you need to cut it. So basically we are cutting all the notched collar pattern all the way like this. So this piece we will need 2 of them. So you need to first make this pattern trace onto the bukram or interfacing and make the fabric attached onto this neckline. As we do in normal kurtis, we need to prepare these 2 pieces, and the first method to make this kurti is you need to trace this pattern leaving around ½ inch onto your kurti, the front part, and then you can easily join this pattern. So as it is, whatever you do to make the neckline, just attach the fabric onto the interfacing, stitch it from the borders, and then you need to attach this piece onto the top part of your kurti from the wrong side and then turn it to the right side, and to this middle part which is left you need to attach a simple rectangular piece from the back. Just hem the top part of this fabric and attach it. So this will create the look of your simple kurti which you wanted to give, and this will create a notched collar pattern kurti. And one more method is there. For that you just need to make a front part of your kurti with a simple round neck. As we do, whatever length you want for your neckline, just give it and make a front neckline of your kurti with a round neck. And then you need to prepare these 2 parts separately by attaching interfacing, and just hem it from the sides by attaching the fabric of the kurti, and then you just need to attach this from the top like this, and then make the back part attached with this collar which we had already made in this pattern. So this will again create a same look with the kurti. Whatever you want, you can choose any method. So I hope you understood this session very well. If you still have any doubt, you can just comment down below. I'll answer all your queries. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.